Hello, this is Loco and we're gonna show you how to replace your display in just about 5 minutes with basic tools. So this is the first step, you'll have to remove the frame. In the end, pull upwards. Now carefully remove the screws using the screwdriver. So this right here is the easiest step. It should take absolutely no time. Remove the screen. If you remove the screen, you can add another screen. Now connect the wires. The connectors, they have this, how do you call it? Well, fitting the connector into the new screen might be a little bit of a challenge, but with a little patience you can manage it. Removing the protective film, it's my favorite part. Well, start with the frame and just be careful not to scratch the screen. You don't want to scratch the screen. You just bought it. So this is your new display. Get ready to use it. So this was my tutorial on changing a laptop display or a notebook display. And if you find it useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So, as you see, it's possible to change a laptop display with a screwdriver and a lockpick.